Hello everyone and welcome back to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cool Super Mario Piranha Plant. Make sure to watch all the way to the end to see if I show the artwork that you have sent in on today's episode. Grab some pens and papers and let's get started. Start by drawing a shape that looks almost like a heart, facing right. Then add a C shape around the tip of the heart. This will be the big mouth of our piranha plant. To draw the lips, add small lines inside the mouth, following the same shape of the outline. Next, let's draw the stem. Draw 2 parallel wiggly lines going down, just like this. Now let's draw the leaves on both sides of the stem. The leaves of these plants almost look like bat wings. Finally, let's draw a pot for our piranha plant. Great! Time to add some details. Draw some dots all over the plant's face. Then add a big tongue and some dangerous spiky teeth. Now grab a thick black marker and let's go over the outlines of our drawing to make it stand out even more. Take your time with it. Remember, it's all about having fun. Time to color in. Using a red pencil and applying a little pressure, you can get the perfect shade for the tongue and the mouth. And a darker red for the head of the plant. I will use a nice light shade of green for the stem. Using a darker shade of green, I'm drawing the inside lines of the leaves. And back to light green for the rest. You guys can play around with the colors and create your own unique shades. Last but not least, let's color our pot. For this, I'll go back to dark green. Adding light green, we will create a nice round 3D look. And that's it! We have now drawn our super cool Super Mario Piranha Plant. Well done, everyone! And remember, as always, practice makes perfect. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. In this part of the episode, we show all the amazing arts and crafts you guys have sent in. Today's art was sent in by Isabella. What a lovely sunflower! The petals you drew are great, and I like that there are 2 layers. Also, I really appreciate the use of pink paper rather than white paper. This way, you made your drawing special and unique. Well done, Isabella! If you would like to send in your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!